I have a row of blueberry bushes that I feed with an acid fertilizer. How far out from the bushes will this make the soil acidic? I would like to start a vegetable garden next to them. And this is Ms. Sheila, Joellen, Tennessee, okay? Actually, a good question. So how far out, Mr. D, does she need to feed those blueberry bushes?
The blueberry roots are not going to take the acidic fertilizer out. Okay. So where you've been putting the fertilizer, it's probably not going to be much further other than, there'll be some leaching and it'll move out. Probably a good rule of thumb, I use it for trees and it probably works for blueberries, is 1.5 times the height out is where the roots are going to go. All right. Now, I don't fertilize my blueberries out that far. I'll go under the drip line and maybe a foot further out. And I have very close to my blueberries, I have blackberries that are getting treated totally different. My blackberries aren't looking too good though right now. But if you have plenty of room, 1.5 times the height, the blueberries 6 feet tall, so 9 feet from the base of the plant, probably it would be good. But if you are restricted on space, you probably would have to squeeze it.
Yeah, because she wants to put in a vegetable garden next to them.
And it's going to need a high pH. It's going to need a high pH. Yeah. And is it downhill or is it uphill? If it's downhill, you may have a little bit of leaching of the fertilizer, but not a lot, because you don't put a lot of fertilizer around blueberries, and it's not going to be there's not going to be a lot of movement outside that root zone. I wouldn't think. But
so not far, because we've seen you do that, to our blueberries that are out, in our garden. Yeah, so it's not very far out.
I don't get very far out,
not far out at all.
But I don't put it all right under the plant either, because the roots are gonna go out. Right. Look for.
Yeah, I have that exact same thing. I have blueberries at the edge of my vegetable garden, and now I don't go that far out from the blueberries, but my blueberries are short too, so they don't need to be a wide area. And what I do is they're spaced long enough that I can do a nice long swath of putting acid down, and that works. And I've never had any problem. The blueberries are fine. The vegetable garden's fine.
Okay.
And the plants are going to, the blueberry, when those roots go out and it starts hitting a higher pH, they're probably going to kind of lean back toward that acidic soil, and the vegetables to some extent will do the same thing. If they start hitting acid soil, they're going to start moving toward an area that is a little bit more comfortable for them, and you can grow them side by side.
Hope you enjoyed the video. We would love to get more questions from you, so be sure to leave us some comments.